Hello everyone. We are back with breathing exercises. Let's all do with basic breathings. So for that, you can sit comfortably either in lotus pose, which is cross-legged, one leg. Then over top of that, we will form the lotus. So this is called as lotus pose. So if you are not comfortable sitting in this position, then you can sit in half lotus, like one heel is near the groin region and the other heel is down. So whichever is comfortable to sit for 10 to 20 minutes, you have to sit in this posture. So just choose your own comfort by doing these breathing exercises. Okay. So best is if you can sit in this position, but never mind. If you have knee pain, don't sit in this position. It will even worsen the condition of the knee pain. So if no knee pain, then you can sit in this position. Make sure your spine is erect. Okay, when your spine is erect, there will be a little arch in your back. Okay, so make sure your hands are slightly above your knees. That way, your shoulders are stretched. Okay. Now we will start with Kapalbhati breathing. And let me tell you the steps how to do this. We will do first with single nostril from right side. We will start. So how to do? First, breathe out completely. Then breathe in halfway with both nostrils. After that, close left and start breathing in and out from right nostril. Like this. So while doing this, your focus is on the tip of the nose and your eyes are closed. So the amount of force that you will put in breathing in, the same force you have to put while breathing out. And also when you sit in this posture, you have to pull your anus inside. Okay, that is called as mool bandh. So mool bandh means we are trying to divert the flow of life force to upward. Okay, so let's start. First, do the mool bandh, anus lock, then breathe out with both nostrils, breathe in halfway, close left, start from the right side. Kapalbhati, equal amount of force to in and out. Start out, in a rhythmic fashion, same method. Breathe out completely when you are tired. Hold with empty lungs. 1, 2. Release your hand. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, breathe in with both nostrils. And exhale. Long breath. After that, 2 to 3 normal breaths. So next we will do from the left side. Okay. Step 1, mool bandh, anus lock. Step 2, breathe out completely with both nostrils. Step 3, breathe in halfway with both nostrils. Close right and start breathing out and in rhythmic fashion. Concentrate at the tip of the nose with your eyes closed. Start. when you're tired, breathe out completely from left side. Hold with empty lungs. Don't breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now breathe in with both nostrils. Prolonged breathe out. 2 to 3 normal breaths. After that, we will do with both nostrils. For that, breathe out completely. Breathe in halfway. Check your anus lock is on. Pulling your anus. Then start. Breathe out completely. Empty lungs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, breathe in with both nostrils. Prolonged breath. And then breathe out with prolonged. Normal breathing. Normal breathing. So we are done with the Kapalbhati breathing. And now we have to do 2 more breathing. One is called a snoring breath. The other one is called Omkar chanting. So let's start with Ujjayi breath or the snoring breath. For that, breathe out completely. Breathe in and produce snoring breath like this. When you breathe out, again there will be snoring breath like this. So this way you have to breathe in and breathe out. And when you do this inhalation, we have to constrict the opening of the throat, and then this will produce a friction, and this friction will cause the phlegm to melt. If any phlegm is inside our lungs, it gets melted. So next question is how to do. Some people say that I cannot produce snoring breath. So let me give you a few tips while inhaling how you can produce this snoring breath. So for inhaling, what you have to do, just imagine that somebody is throwing cold water, very cold water. So if somebody will throw cold water on you, what is your reaction? You will normally do suddenly if somebody will throw. So same reaction will happen here also. But now you have to constrict the opening of the throat. Now if you do something like this, so suddenly you inhale with while constricting the opening of your throat, then this produces the sound like this. Okay. So this is for inhalation. Now about exhalation, what you have to imagine that somebody is having cough, and to relax the irritating throat, what they do is they do like this, or they will do. So if you prolong this, then it will produce the breathing out sound of snoring. See, like this. In prolonged way, how you will produce this sound? So when we breathe in, our concentration is from the navel to the base of our throat. When we breathe out, from the base of the throat to the navel. Okay, so take your mind to these regions from navel to base of the throat, then throat to the navel, and then you have to like when you breathe in, if you take 4 count while breathing in, you have to exhale in 8 count, and then after exhalation, do not rush to breathe in. Just hold for 4 count and then start again for the next round. Okay, if you are clear, let's all do this one. Breathe out completely. Check your mole band is on and is locked. After that, breathe in with snoring breath. Breathe out. After a gap of 4 count, then breathe in again in the count of 4. Breathe out. Hold with empty lungs. 4 count. Next, breathe in. Breathe out. So this is type 1 Ujjayi breathing, snoring breath breathing. So this will help phlegm to be removed from the lungs. So very good for those who have bronchiolitis or any lung related issues. Because of the friction, the phlegm gets melt, and especially beneficial in this time when we see that people are affecting from COVID-19. So just every day try to do this breathing exercise, and you you will be stay immune and protected. Okay, next we will do the type 2. For type 2 Ujjayi breath, we have to concentrate along the chest region. So when we breathe in, the process is all same. Only concentration is going to change from the base of the chest to the base of the throat while breathing in, and while breathing out from the base of the throat to the base of the chest, and then again hold for 4 count. This will be treated as one round. So let's all do. Your hands around the waist, concentrate, and do with concentration. It will help the same way the meditation has the effect. The same effect can be produced. Okay, breathe out completely. Mulband is on. Breathe out. Breathe in with snoring breath, and concentrate along the chest. So this is type 2 Ujjayi breathing. Now we will see how to do the type 3. Type 3, our focus will shift from the chest to the base of the throat. We will start from the base of the throat to the center of the forehead while breathing in. From the center of the forehead to the base of throat while breathing out. Breathing process is same. So now in this posture, we will hold our biceps, breathe in and do it mindfully from the base of the throat to the your center of the forehead while breathing in, and while breathing out from the center of the forehead to the base of your throat. Let's start. See, my hands are moving along with breath. Breathe out. hold for some time and then breathe in for next round. One last round. Release your hands. So you see, while breathing in, synchronize your breath and your hand movements. While breathing out, also the same. So your hands will go down when you breathe out. When you breathe in, your hands go up. Okay. So this is snoring breath. Now we will do the Omkar chanting, last breathing for the day. For that, we actually, this is a form of chanting and it will produce a vibration effect. And this vibration effect will reduce all the viruses in the atmosphere. Because this sound, Om sound, is present everywhere. Even if you bring your hand closer by making the cup of your hand, you will feel slowly near your ear when you bring, you will feel there is some vibration. So this vibration with the help of Om sound when we chant, then it reduces the viruses around our environment. Okay, let's all do. Breathe out completely. Then move one and a slow. Now breathe in with snoring breath first. And now chant Om. Om. Your focus is at the center of your heart. Again, second time, breathe in with snoring breath. Breathe out with Om. Om. Third time, breathe in with snoring breath. Breathe out with Om. Om. Observe the silence. Meditate at the center of your heart. Listen to the echoes of Om. Bring the form of light at the center of your heart and meditate on that form. You can bring the form of visual form of God also, which you worship every day. It is up to you. If you cannot visualize the form of God, you can visualize the form of light. Make sure you are concentrating at the center of your chest. So this is the place in yoga we call this as heart chakra. Heart in yoga we do not say that our chakra, heart chakra is at the left side. It is at the center of the chest. You can meditate on that chakra. Now breathe out completely. Breathe in with snoring breath and chant Om. Om. Again breathe in with snoring breath. Chant Om. Om.